guys, so we're here in Surfside. We're at Fat Boy's Bait Shop. But if y'all take a look, y'all walk through here with me. They got all kinds of stuff. Y'all come down here. It's got all your hooks, buckets, leaders. You guys want to do some crabbing? They got that. They got rod and reels, nets, hats. They got a good variety right there for you. But if y'all walk back here, there's all of his bait tanks. And there's the owner. But he's got live shrimp, minnows, all kind of stuff. So if y'all are ever on this area and y'all need bait, come over here to Fat Boys. But we're gonna head out to go do some fishing out here on the surf. So y'all stay with us, and we'll see y'all here in a few.
Hey guys, and happy Memorial Day weekend. We're out here in Quintana Beach, Texas, which is on the other side of Surfside. So right now they're doing some surf fishing. We got the kids out here, they're playing in the water, and Chris brought his kayak here. We got over there. Kids are just kind of relaxing, snacking, and playing. There's Chris.
Hey guys.
So thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And let's see what we can catch today. And we can't wait to see you on the next adventure too.
Out a little bit here. I don't recommend it, but we're gonna go straight on with the wave. That was fun. Not where I'd recommend, but wear a life jacket. I know I am. Alright, we're gonna flip it back over. Go off this way here. And get back in. Alright, so as you can see, we're having a little bit of fun out here with these waves and the kayak. Of course, again, like I said, wear a life vest, do this with family and friends or whatever, just for the fun of it. But there's a good thing about doing this. One, it's a lot of fun, especially when you're battling waves that are, 3 to 4 foot, some of them I've hit were even 5 foot. But I'm also in water no deeper than 6, 7 feet out here. One area I hit about 10 feet deep, but that was about it. But it's good practice, it's good exercise.
especially if you like doing ocean kayaking and, you know, things like that on calmer days. I definitely recommend going out on a kayak because it is a lot of fun, and I do it all the time on this kayak here. But days like this, it's just fun to get out there and play with these waves here because it gives you good practice. When you want to hit them head on, you don't want to hit them from the sides. If you see one coming from one side, one the other, try to get in the middle and where they're both coming in, so they both hit the kayak at the same time, coming in this way, and you just go right over the top. But we're gonna go play with some more waves. So let's go have some more fun. All right, so my friend Allie is gonna give it a try. Didn't make it in the kayak. Oh, that's so going in the video. We are in literally like not even knee-deep water. But again, it's really wavy. I don't recommend doing this unless you know you're experienced or with someone who's experienced to have fun. But we're not going that far out, roughly 8 to 10 feet deep, if that even. But still a lot of fun. All right, this is getting embarrassing. We'll see y'all in a minute.
Guys, so remember that catfish dip I made? Well, here at the beach today I went ahead and made it for Rocky and Allie to try along with us and enjoy today. So Chris is over here dishing some out and he's got the chips.
Alright, Allie, here.
You're gonna have to hand feed me, dude.
Okay. My hand feeding you too, Rocky? Yeah.
Yeah.
If I got a hand feed you too? Yeah. Oh, it's over.
This is the one with the gap top. From the other day?
Yeah.
Rocky is only making that face, guys, because he's got a toothache right now. It's good? Alright. So if you're interested in that recipe, guys, if you go back, I'll go ahead and put in the description the little recipe that we put together. So it's a hit for everybody. So if you got some gaff tops, don't throw them back. Keep them. If you don't know what to do with it, we have a few videos. We fry them up sometimes, and this time we made the ceviche type salad. So
hi.
Yeah, try it. And we got the kids saying hi.
Wanna try it? How about finger?
What do you think? Is it good? Are you having fun? Relaxing day at the beach? Hey guys, so it's Memorial Day weekend and we're out here in Quintana Beach, which is on the other side of Surfside. So out there you see a boat, and out that way past that pier is the inlet, and on the other side is Surfside. So being that it's Memorial Day weekend and it is really busy on those beaches, we came here. We're dealing with a little bit of seaweed, but pretty much the whole coast down here is. Right now we can see that beautiful flock of pelicans coming by. Sure is.
All right, so we had to stop. Y'all take a look at this sign. That's just too funny. That's pretty neat. That's cool. So we have this little cannon, a little turn circle here. So it overlooks the base. That's pretty neat. You know, little trails they got here. They got a bird observatory down this other direction. So yeah, definitely a nice little park. But yeah, if you guys are ever in the Freeport, Surfside, Lake Jackson area, you've got this little RV park with all this cool stuff out here, this old fort. And also the Surfside, there in Lake Jackson, I'm sorry, is the Sea Center, which we have a video of that too. So please, I'll put that in the description as well. Check out that video, and that's where you'll see where they breed redfish, flounder, and speckled trout. All right, so this is the Quintana Neotropical Bird Sanctuary. Sage and I are going to walk it. In fact, she's behind me. We'll stop over sites for the birds. A little lantana back here. Got a couple of those in the garden at home. Those are always good for your butterflies. Of course, we didn't really get much out fishing today, so figure we'll go ahead and show some more of this little site. So here's the tower. We are going to climb up it. I want you guys to stay on the trail. So here's everything they've got. A little bird camp, all kind of neat little stuff. Well, it's in June. Cool. How do you feel about doing a bird camp in June? Yeah. Looks like it's before we actually go to Florida too, so we might do that. We got a little water pond down here. We'll check that out here in a second. A little water garden feature. That's pretty neat. There's the beach. And there's the RV park right over there with the cannon, which we showed y'all a little while ago. Here's the little pond feature they've got back here. I don't know how well y'all can see it, but it's a nice little rock feature. A little orange just popped up for the birds. But well, not much of in the way of fishing, but I hope you guys enjoyed this adventure here.